Good morning. So, I am going to check out this tree in the back of the orchard, which I haven't been back here yet. Mike's been working on it. We took out this section of the fence and we blocked off the sheep so they can't come out here right now. Just makes it easier to get in and out of here. Oh gosh, it's so slippery. I'm not wearing my boots. So we had 2 willows. Obviously, most of you know we lost the first willow a few months back in the fall. And this was our second willow in the back of the orchard here. And Mike has done a lot of work, as you can tell. Oh, there's our neighbor with his chickens, her chickens. So this is the other willow. Luckily that pine tree didn't lose anything. So this willow came down. Look at the top of that pine. That's too bad. That came down. Top of that pine. So, oh man. What's one of our orchard trees is now gone. Took out that tree. And I think there was one in there. Okay. So this was the willow. Oh my gosh, it's hard to walk in here. Oh, they got babies. Cute. Ah, goodness. So this is the willow. Looks like that tree, I don't know if it'll make it or not. This is my shelter I put it under here a little while back. Let's see if I can salvage it. Oh, yuck. Ew. Looks like apples in there. I don't know why I had a blanket in there. I don't usually do that. Yuck. Have to clean this out. Put some straw in there. Well, so that fence, looks like he's already repaired part of it. But it kind of, I think it took out, there's a tree right here it took out, this big willow. It uprooted, as you can see. Hi! So those kids. Oh, you can't go over there. Nope. That's grape. You don't want to go over there, grape. You need to stay here. Oh, I think that was a cherry tree. You can see it sticking up there. I think it was a volunteer cherry, wild cherry. Oh man, looks like we lost a orchard tree there, split in half. This is really the first time I've been out in the orchard since the ice storm. Come on. Don't go in that neighborhood. Those big dogs in that yard. Over in that yard, there's 2, well, maybe even more than that, boxers. And they've taken out cats before. Not ours, but another neighbor's cats. Okay. Yeah, he's busy back here working. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, yucky. Stepping in mushy apples. This pine. That's on their side. Boy, Mike's been busy. What are you doing, Grape? Oh, look at this tree. Ouch. Well, that tree's toast. Yikes. What? What? You have such a cute little meow. Lots of branches down out here. Lost quite a few branches here. Look at that. It's down. I don't know if I can get through there. I'm gonna have to go around. Now this section of our orchard, a lot of these trees were already dead. So we were planning on taking them out anyway because they just, you know, these trees are really old. Oh, this tree came down. Wow. This was not uprooted before the storm. So the storm took it out. I don't even know if this was one of the dead ones. It could have been. What else we got here? That tree. Oops. So that one will have to come out. Looks like that one there will have to come out too. Boy, we got a lot of trees out here that are gonna have to come out. If we take all these trees out here in the middle, we could put some like hazelnuts out here. That'd be cool. Hey, Mike. It's my first time really looking around out here.
Yeah, damage is done on that side more. I'm working my way this way.
I think if we take out all these trees right here in this little section, we could put some like hazelnuts or something in, you know? That would be cool. Man, well, a lot of these trees right here were dead anyway.
Yeah.
But this one, this uprooted.
Yeah. Like there's an old piece there that's round that I cut up.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna use it as a one of these as a table stand.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, like a picnic table.
Heck, man, if you could salvage some of this, that'd be cool.
That's what I'm trying to do. There's some I salvaged. I'm working my way this way.
Yeah.
I gotta find my keys.
What'd you do with your keys?
I know already, right?
Hi, Grape. What you doing? Huh? Oh, you're marking everything. That's what you're doing. He doesn't really spray much anymore. Man. I'd really like to replant some of these trees. Oh, we lost some out of the Brooks prunes too. Bummer.